$250,000 is on the way to help keep the Finley Center staff in place for now, and the city is also eyeing another $11 million in cuts to keep Hoover operating. Now, that chunk would include $3.5 million from operating costs like overtime, travel, and filling vacant positions. There would be another $7 million plus in capital project cuts, new city vehicles, buying land at the Moss Rock Preserve, and brand new sidewalks along Highway 150 could be on the chopping block. Last night, the city council went ahead and approved transferring $250,000 to Hoover SFM, the group which manages the Med and Finley Center. They have already cut staff from 70 down to 12. And the city was worried if the shutdown continues much longer, there may be no one to run the Medplex when it reopens.
Whether that be a month or 2 or 3 months down the road. So we don't want to just start with an empty cupboard and have to start from scratch. So that's the first thing, is we need to keep a skeleton crew there to be ready for when things open back up again.
Now, some city councilors I spoke with say that the city should be planning for $15 million in cuts, not just $11 million. So the mayor's office tells me they are putting together a 2-phase list of projects that can be canceled. That way they are prepared for the worst. The mayor's expected to update the city council in 2 weeks. In Hoover, John Papke, WVTM 13.